Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some vanilla buttercream balayage. If you're interested in learning more, stay tuned, stick around, and let's have some fun. And don't forget to hit that like button, as well as subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every Sunday, so you don't want to miss a thing. Also, you guys, I've got a new series coming up that's going to be starting on Tuesdays. That's going to be called Toning Tips Tuesday. So if you're interested in learning more about toning or just some of my favorite formulas, then make sure you subscribe for that as well. Alright, let's get to the video.
Like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. better for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. So you can go, go, go. Don't get me wrong, I'm not lying. Don't get me wrong, I'm not bad as you. I'm looking for you, you. I'm looking for you, for you, you. I'm looking for you. All these busy people, all these busy people, all these busy people.
Just as bad as you, just as bad as you.
And sometimes crazy rain.
That's great. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. Well, you're all set, my love. Thank you
my God.
so much for letting me record that.
Absolutely. Anytime.
Like,